believe it or not, I got this color tint for only 96 pesos. So imagine, hindi lang siya 50% off for only 96 pesos without shipping fee. I got this color tint. Who doesn't love discounts? So hi guys, how's your day? How are you today? Are you feeling good? Are you feeling happy? Because I am. This is Bianca and welcome to my channel. Bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga susunod na vlogs ko. And don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment down below. I'll be doing another makeup look inspired by Ariana Grande on her music video, which is Rain on Me. I am late on this trend and a lot of YouTubers had done this, but the reason why I'm doing this and why it is late, because I recently got new makeup products in a very discounted price through online shopping, and I wanted to share my skills on online shopping. That's why I am gonna do this video. So, before we start, I'm gonna show you first the products that I got. So, I got this color tint from Colorette Cosmetics. It is originally priced at 250 pesos. But, believe it or not, I got this color tint for only 96 pesos. So, imagine, hindi lang siya 50% off for only 96 pesos without shipping fee. I got this color tint. Next product is this eyeliner pencil by BYS. Ito yung collaboration ni Nadine Lustre and BYS. It's the Lustrous collection. I got two eyeliner pencil. Yung isa dito is Moonstone and the other one is Turquoise, if I'm pronouncing it correct. And this is originally priced at 199 pesos. And I got this for only 99 pesos each. So, paano ko nga ba ito nakuha? Inabangan ko yung 8.8 ng Shopee and Lazada. And guys, take note that this sale is only for an hour or 2 hours, because this is from 12 midnight to 2 a.m. So, 12 to 1 and then 1 to 2. You have 2 hours to add to cart what is in sale during that duration of times. What I did during the 8.8 sale was to check out stores na kilala ko and I love, para doon ako titingin ng mga products na naka-sale and then i-check out ko sila. I did visit Vice Cosmetics, BYS, Careline, Everbilena, and a lot of stores. Meron ka namang ample time para mag-browse, but take note na madaling nasa-sold out. Limited lang yung quantity and madali, super bilis niyang ma-sold out. Within 1 hour, sold out agad yung products na yun, especially if the discount is more than 50%. So, mabilis ka dapat. So, yun na nga. For the persons that DM me how, nung nag-post ako ng IG story ko, you wanted to ask me, I can do a video on how I get it. So, para ma-share ko din sa inyo. So, this is this video and see you on the next Shopee 99 sale or Lazada 99 sale. Now that I've shared it to you, let's go on to my makeup. Before anything else, let's moisturize my skin first. I'm using DIY Korea Aqua Moisturizer. Let's use my Quick FX Mattifying Primer. I usually do my makeup foundation first, saka ko aayusin yung eyes ko, but I'm gonna try to reverse it. I'm using my Everbilena foundation to prime my eyes. And then what am I gonna do next is set it with powder. I'm using the Careline All Control powder. So let's get some brush. I'm gonna go grab my Nichido brow pencil. Gagawin ko siyang soft eyeliner muna before I proceed with my Careline Graphic Ink Liner, gawa muna tayo ng soft line gamit yung Nichido ko. And then, after that, I'm gonna grab my Careline Graphic Ink Liner. And then, I'm gonna proceed and draw my wing eyeliner. Signature white eyeliner. I'm using the BYS, my new BYS eyeliner pencil in the shade Moonstone. So, ito yon, fresh from the box. So, I did trace where I would like to line it with this white eyeliner off cam kasi baka magkamali ako, and let's go! Let's do this on the other side, and I'll be right back. I'm done. So next, let's do my brows. Let's use my Nichido. Let's proceed to my foundation. I'm using the Cocolor Cover Max foundation. Next, I'm gonna get my concealer and put a little bit. Next, let's proceed to contour using the Sassy Lady contour palette. Proceed to lips and blush. So I'm using my color tint in the shade Ava. Next, and then on my lips. Next, I'm gonna apply a lip gloss. It's from Focallure. Next, we need some highlights. And we're done! This is the finished look. So, mag-transform na tayo. So that's it for the video today. I hope you did enjoy watching my transformation, and I hope nakapagbigay ako ng enough information and tips on shopping. If hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please click that subscribe button below and share this video if you find this helpful. Bye!